One slipped off and dropped her cool. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. 5 little kittens splashing in the pool. One did a flip and broke the rule. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. Kittens floating on a mat. One got scared and ran to the cat. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. 3 little kittens swimming all around. One got dizzy and nearly drowned. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. Kittens chasing a wave. One got lost in a bubbly cave. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. One little kitten paddling with pride slipped on a noodle and took a slide. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. No.
Fluffy and fat, wearing a coat like a woolly hat. Nibble grass in the morning dew, with a baba song just for you. Walk to the meadow, skip to the hill, chasing the breeze so calm and still. Tail like a pom-pom, nose so pink, blinking eyes that softly blink. Clouds above and sheep below, fluffy friends in a gentle row. One lies down, the other's not, curled up close in a cozy lap. White sheep, gentle and sweet, with tiny hooves and dancing feet. When the stars begin to leap, the sheep all sigh and fall asleep. Choo-choo, through the hills and skies so blue. Puffs of smoke go up, up high, like cotton clouds in the morning sky. The wheels on the train go clackety-clack, rolling fast on the silver track. Over bridges and under trees, whistling loud in the gentle breeze. The bell on the front goes ding, 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 as the engine rocks and the children sing. With a toot and a turn, it makes its way through rainbow fields and flowers of May. Track goes zoom, 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 racing the wind with plenty of room. And it slows with a happy sigh, waving goodbye as it passes by. Swimming jar just an hour ago. Red ones bounced and rolled away. Green ones giggled and wouldn't stay. Yellow ones hid behind a shoe. Purple ones slid through some goo. Orange ones danced across the floor, then slipped beneath the candy drawer. I searched the shelf, I checked my hats, even peeked behind the cats. They vanished quick without a sound. Those sneaky sweets can't be found. But look, what's that beneath the chair? A rainbow trail is winding there. A jelly bean parade, what a show! They're throwing sparkles as they go.
Sing along with kids.
Little kittens sneaking in the box, tiptoeing softly in their tiny socks. They peeked inside with wide round eyes and full of paper. What a surprise! One jumped in and gave a happy purr. The other wiggled in beside her fur. They curled up tight without a peep. Two little kittens fast asleep. Catchy. Puppy. Two little kittens sneaking in a box, tiptoeing softly in their tiny socks. They peeked inside with wide round eyes and full of paper. What a surprise! One jumped in and gave a happy purr. The other wiggled in beside her fur. They curled up tight without a peep. Two little kittens fast asleep. Catchy.
Sing along with kids.
Row, row your dinosaur gently down the stream, in a boat with dino oars, gliding through a dream. Stomp, stomp, splashy feet, tails go swish and spin. Through the jungle down they go with giant toothy grins. Roar, roar, sing a tune underneath the moon, riding waves and catching stars. They'll be home real soon. Row, row your dinosaur, laughing all the way. Adventure ends at Dino Bed. Good night to Dino Play.